Guitar, and today we're going to talk about this awesome piece, CP-15 Tantrum Heavy Metal by Kalin Pedals. So what's hap about this pedal? This pedal have true bypass and power requirement 9 volts DC center negative, and the current consumption is about 30 milliamperes, and of course the weight of this pedal is 0.35 kilogram. And you know what is special about this pedal? The special about this pedal is have the boost. The boost of this pedal will give you top end boost that is similar to the metal muff. So let's check it out, and let's check this the sound of this pedal in 3, 2, 1. That's it guys, I hope that you learned from this video about their awesome bass pedal CP-15 Tantrum Heavy Metal Distortion by Kalin Pedals. And if you want to buy these pedals, you can go to their page kalinpedals.com or kalintechnology.com. And what are you waiting for? Grab your guitar and buy this pedal. And once again, this is JD Gear Guitar.